Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and honestly, I can't even say the title, all right, because I'm gonna just put it up here. You know, it's in the top left because YouTube is real sensitive, so I'm just not even gonna say it. But anyway, man, let's just play the video, man. Let's get to it.
Hello. Keys inside?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's sweating bad.
All right, we'll get it open.
What is she doing in the front?
Nothing. I just came from the store. I put her there so I could sit in there too, so I could do something before I leave. I live a block and a half from here.
Did she ride in the front here?
No, I got the car seat in the back.
Okay.
It's okay, Mama. 1 second.
And how long has she been here?
Less than 10 minutes. Like I said, I came out the store. I put her there for a second. She had the key to the car.
She's sweating really bad.
But she started crying because I had to go inside to get the phone. My phone is dead. Look, it's dead. So I had to go inside. So she started crying when she didn't saw me.
How did she get into the front seat?
I put her in the front seat.
When?
I came out the store because I just bought something. I put her in there so I could go in the other side, so I could do something on my phone. She fucking locked the door on me before I got to the other side.
Was the car running?
No.
And the key fob does not work?
She had the key on her hand. That's why I got locked out of the car, because she locked the car before I could get on the other side.
Where's the keys?
You gotta look. You have to look on the car. It's okay, Mom.
What's up with the shake, man?
She good? You
I don't know
okay?
what to tell you.
Yeah.
Can you check her out?
Yeah. It wasn't on there when I went in.
She's fine. I tell you, she's been less than 10 minutes.
No, I hear you, but there's all over the car and she was sitting on it, okay? And I just took a piece off of her just now. So, where is your ID?
I don't have it.
You don't have an ID?
No, I lost it.
Who is her parent or
I'm the
guardian?
dad.
Huh?
I'm the dad.
You are the dad. Who else can take care of her?
Mom just went to work and grandpa's at home. Do you mind if I get the pacifier?
All right, so what I'm gonna ask you to do is just step to the back of the car for me. Okay.
You going to jail. You're cooked. Soon as they ask you, is there somebody that can take care of the child or whatever, yada, yada, you're cooked.
She's fine. It wasn't even, it was colder in there.
Yeah, and I appreciate it. It's basically for me to just determine that she's okay, but also to stall to wait for, her partner to get here.
As far as substance, there's nothing we can check that would help with that.
Right. So his phone is dead. He parked it here. She was in the front seat with the seatbelt on. He said that he moved her to the front seat so he could go inside and do something on his phone.
I didn't say that.
You did.
I said I put her in the front seat when I came out.
When you came out,
Yes.
but then you went back inside.
Yeah, to get the phone so I could call.
Okay, so he left her in the car that was not running with the keys in. He went back inside to get his phone. He came back out, and obviously the car was locked.
No, that's not what happened.
Okay, tell me what happened
I
again.
came with her to the car because I'm about to take off. I just see her in there for a second so I could do something. But before I could get to this side, she locked the car on me because she had the keys on her hand playing with them. So I went inside and asked for a phone so I could
call. Okay.
right away.
What is up with the marijuana in the car?
What can I say, man? That's my stuff.
You what?
That's mine. What can I say?
Well, like I said, we get here. Yes, you called. She's in the front seat. Okay. You weren't driving, which is good, but she's in the front seat with the seatbelt buckled. The car is not running and it gets locked, okay, by her or something, or the car does it itself. When I open and the door gets opened, there's sitting on the seat that she is sitting in. That is a huge issue.
Yeah, no, she got to it while I went to get this.
Who knows if she digested,
I don't think so.
ingested any of that.
That right there, key is when you say, I don't think so, that's the hard part. That's when it becomes dangerous, you know what I mean? Because what do people do with sometimes? What do they lace it with? Cocaine. So you never know what you're getting unless are you buying from an actual distributor or are you buying from a person? I'm not asking you that so you can get charged with it. I'm just asking a question. You buying from just a friend or you buying from a distributor?
Friend.
Okay, so the friend could be lacing with something not on purpose.
I understand what you guys going to with this, but I'm pretty sure she's good. I called right away. I didn't lose no time.
We appreciate you calling. I'm just saying how important it is to
I
pay attention to what you're
understand.
doing with this kind of scenario.
But she's good. I know.
Yeah, he calls the police and he gonna go to jail. I mean, I get it. I get it. It's a tough. I get it. I understand the officer's point. You know, the child being that close to it, whatever, and stuff like that, pretty much in arm's reach and everything, 100% unacceptable. You know. I don't know why you left the kid in the car to begin with. I mean, even if you run in there for 2 minutes or whatever, if the car is unlocked, somebody could run off with your child, right? Like, quick, fast, and in a hurry. I wouldn't leave no kid like that in the car. I don't know.
No hike, none of that stuff. And it's barely anyone in that car.
But there's in the car.
I know.
Do you understand what I'm saying? You're not free to leave. You're not free to leave. 268. Can you show one male detained? So what were you doing that was so important to leave your daughter in
I didn't leave my daughter in the car. You keep saying I leave my daughter in the car. I didn't leave my daughter in the car. I came and I put her on that seat. Coming around the car before.
Right.
And she locked the door on me before I could reach the door.
I get it. And
Why would you put her in the seatbelt on? There's a car seat.
So it don't matter. I was staying there. I was gonna stay there for a second.
well, it does matter. Okay, so you put her in the car, you shut the door, you walked around, and by the time you got to the other side, the car was already locked.
Yeah, she locked.
Okay.
What's up with the in the car?
That's mine.
Huh?
All right.
That's yours? I understand. It's yours. I'm asking what's up with it. You're leaving a kid in the car with a
Yeah.
That's smart.
Yeah, she was. And when they
It seems like you don't.
and he didn't tell me any of this. When the girl got out, she had on her back.
You guys keep saying I leave my car in the car.
Because, you know, kids that age don't just put everything.
Who knows if she
So
could
the
have
kid
done
has
that.
seatbelt on?
Yeah, in the front seat.
So he's definitely bull.
Yeah.
What?
You said you were just running in real fast.
No, I would. She locked the door on me, so I ran right away to the gas station to get the phone. And I called you guys.
So now he's being a little bit more honest. He said that the kid was seated in there in that seat with the seatbelt on because he was in a rush. So he put her, instead of putting her in the car seat, he just popped her there, put the seatbelt on her so he could drive here from his house because he doesn't live that far away. That's
I figured that was the case, yeah.
wrong about that.
Where is the container?
What container? That's what I have.
Well, what? Okay. Right now, I am going to be placing you in custody for. I mean, there's a bunch of other things. Not only being in possession of that's not in a container, which has to be. Also having a loaded right next to the car seat of your child. It's like that's just a recipe for absolute disaster, man. And I think that goes without saying. So if you can pull up your wife's number, I'll give her a call to come and get her daughter. Okay?
Can I have my phone?
No.
Why
you
not?
You can swipe right here because you're in custody right now and it's playing by my rules.
First number right there.
Remain to hold her, but go ahead and face the car and remove everything else in your pockets. Okay?
Hello, sir. Junior, we have him at the gas station. He's going to jail.
Who?
Junior?
What happened to Junior?
So I can't get into all the details right now, but
What about the baby?
exactly. That's why I'm here. Are you able to get in my car and I'll take you over there to drive the car home? And the baby?
What-
The
what?
baby's okay. There was
Yeah,
just an incident that happened.
An accident?
No, the baby's okay. Everybody's okay. An accident on his part, yeah. But yeah, if you want to hop in, I can give you a ride to the gas station and just drive the car and the baby back.
You say going to jail.
Yeah, he's going to jail for child neglect.
Oh, sir. Keep the car. You can't arrest him. You'll be able to talk to him if you want to later on, but just go ahead and take the granddaughter back, okay? To the house.
So you got any other thing?
No, the primary house is over there, but he'll be able to call you when he gets to the jail, okay? Mommy.
All right, I appreciate it.
The man was charged with and possession of. He was subsequently transported to the sheriff's office for booking. He pleaded no contest to a reduced misdemeanor charge of culpable negligence, resulting in 6 months of probation and $542 in court fees.
I think that's fair. I think that's fair. I think obviously the situation he put himself in is terrible. Okay, you shouldn't be putting the baby in the front seat. You shouldn't have a weapon that close to the child, or car seat, or whatever the case you want to call it. But I do think that it was just a stupid mistake on his part. So I do think, the punishment is appropriate. I don't think he should get sent up the road for the rest of his life and all. Like, no. But he should get punished. Get a slap on the wrist. You should get one of those. It is what it is. But I think he learned a valuable lesson from it. At least I hope so. He did. Yeah. So anyway, let me know. I'm gonna give the officers hey, I can't even blame the officers. They doing their job, man. They doing their job. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.